Hey folks, what's up? In today's video you want to enjoy the sound of the Toyota 1HZ engine, 6-cylinder 4.2 liter natural aspirated engine. That is the engine, so let's enjoy the sound. This is the hood, so let's first check out at our dashboard. That is the dashboard, 2 tanks, everything is there. So before you start the engine, first ensure that it is in neutral, the gear lever is in neutral. Yeah, this one doesn't have a safety switch. If it had a safety switch, you need to first press the clutch, but this one doesn't have, so it doesn't care. So when you start, the key, that is the dashboard. You need to first wait for the coil. This is the coil. You need to first wait to go off. That means it has preheated the engine. Then you can start. Yeah, it's making some good vibrations here. I think you're enjoying the sound. 1HZ engine. So we can go back to the hood. This is the hood. The engine is there. I think you can see the vibrations. All diesel engines were so violent. Yeah, all diesel engines were so violent. But with time it will stabilize. So hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching.